To create a custom mode for Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first we need to open settings. Next step is to locate modes and routines, and that way, all the way on the bottom, you can create your own mode. So pick a different color and icon. Also, you can rename your mode however you like. Then if you click on done, next step will be to customize it. So first thing is turn on automatically. So if you select that, then it will determine when the mode will turn on automatically. For example, when you open a certain app from this list, for example Google Chrome, when you connect a Bluetooth device, and then you can select that device if it's connected to your phone. You can then change the time period when the mode will turn on automatically as well. And finally, a place when your GPS locates where you are, then it will basically turn on automatically. You can also add a different condition from those settings right here, so you can really customize when this mode will enable itself. So let's save it and move to the next thing. Choose what this mode does, and we can click on stay focused to activate do not disturb mode for that mode, or restrict the app usage. The restrict app usage will allow you to select a app that won't be accessible during this mode. Next thing is other actions, so you can activate a specific conditions for your phone, like grayscale, which will turn your screen to black and white colors, activate dark mode, eye comfort shield, and any other options right here. So that is the very rough version of how the modes can be customized. There's also lock screen, home screen wallpapers that you can customize for that mode as well. There's thousands of options and combinations, so you can actually make your mode for yourself. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.